finished your Christmas shopping yet?
Of course I finished my Christmas shopping. I'm super organized, and I wanted to get a head start this year because of everything with the pandemic and COVID. You just don't know how shopping is going to be.
Yeah, I haven't started yet. I mean, there are some things that my kids had ordered, and I just, paid more to get more stuff added to that order, and that stuff is still coming. So, and I will parse it out so that some of it will be for Christmas and some of it will be for their birthday. So, but bulk of the stuff I haven't done it yet.
But you're probably still early enough.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm hoping. Yeah.
For me this year, I really wanted to focus on shopping local.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, because a lot of small businesses are closing down, and so I really wanted to support the small businesses in my area and in my community. So I made sure that I did all of my Christmas shopping at local stores owned by Torontonians.
Yeah, that's cool. So did you already decorate your place to get ready for the holidays?
Not yet.
Okay, you haven't done that one yet.
Not yet. That's a little bit early for me, but I haven't gotten there yet.
When do you usually start doing that?
Probably at the beginning of December.
Yeah, because some people, they do it right when Halloween's done.
I know.
Right? On our street, we have a few houses that for Halloween, they put up the jack-o'-lanterns, the inflatable, moving mobiles, and then as soon as Halloween's done, out comes the big snowman and Santa Claus and all the reindeer, and it's really like such a big ordeal for them to do it.
The same thing happens in my neighborhood.
Yeah?
We've already got one of the inflatable Santas up in my neighborhood.
Yeah.
And it's not even December.
Yeah, I know. So, thinking about like when you were a child, do you think you celebrated Christmas in a really traditional Canadian way?
Definitely. When we were kids, definitely it was very traditional. We always watched a movie together at night, had snacks, and went to bed early. And obviously we woke up really early Christmas morning when we were young. And we would open our stockings first, always stockings first, and then gifts. And then we always had Christmas dinner with turkey or roast or ham.
Yeah, yeah. And were you a hockey family?
No.
Yeah.
No.
So
my brother played hockey, but we didn't really know too much about hockey. No.
Yeah. Which is different because most people outside think that we're big hockey lovers and everybody in Canada must skate and everybody knows how to play hockey. And it's not necessarily the case, right? And you were born here in Canada.
Yeah, I was born here in Canada.
Yeah, I was born here in Canada too, and hockey was never, ever part of our life here.
Well, I definitely know how to skate.
Yeah,
my brother
same here.
did play hockey. Like most little boys in school here do play hockey.
Yeah.
I grew up outside of Toronto, so in a smaller town. So most kids there did play hockey, and I lived across from the lake. So
oh, wow.
Every winter we would go skating on the lake.
Oh, amazing. Yeah, well, my mom came to Canada. She was 12 years old, and skating was one of the first things she did, actually. And she took up figure skating.
Oh.
Right? So my mother, you'll see her one day. She's like this tiny, tiny Asian lady, but she can do amazing stuff on the ice, which still to this day just blows my mind.
And do you know how to skate?
I do know how to skate, but I'm not as good as her. I mean, she could do spins and jumps and
Can you go backwards?
No, not really. I can go backwards on skis. That I can do. And my kids have been skiing since they were 3. So skiing is a huge thing.
Well, believe it or not, I have never been skiing.
You have never been skiing? Oh my gosh. How about snowboarding?
Definitely not.
And your family?
My brother and sister skied maybe when they were younger, but we are also not a skiing family at all.
Yeah. In general, do you think that you enjoy winter in Canada, or are you thinking that you are getting to the point you've had enough?
I've definitely had enough of the winter.
Yeah.
I'm not a winter person. I don't like the snow. I don't like cold weather. I don't even like the fashion. Like I don't like getting all bundled up,
Right. The parka.
wrapping around the scarf, with the big boots. Like it's
Right.
heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah.
So no, I'm definitely not a winter person at all. I mean, even look at today.
Yeah.
I was not impressed when I had to take the snow off my car. Like it's not for me.
Did you winterize your car already?
I have.
Okay.
I
so
have.
You're prepared.
I am prepared, so I did switch my tires out in October. So it was great because today coming over here, quite an easy drive with my snow tires on.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. I haven't done it yet. I mean, I have the antifreeze in the back, right? And if ever I need to get my car out of some huge block of ice, right? I do have that. I do have the windshield wipers. Oh, I have to change those because they're done. So I need new ones. But I have the big scraper. Whenever you need to scrape off that ice or nail, I've got a really big one. It's really good.
Mhm.
And I've got the big, huge snow brush as well.
At least today we didn't have to scrape. You could just brush it off.
Yes.
It's fluffy snow.
Yeah.
But I don't have that antifreeze yet, so maybe I'm not 100% ready.
Yeah. Do you think you'll ever be a snowbird then, since you're not liking the cold so
Oh my
much?
god, definitely 100%.
Yeah, really?
I will be. For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. I don't want to be here.
So you'll join the millions of people who fly down to
Yes.
Florida. You know.
I don't know if it would be Florida. I
Mhm.
don't know if Florida would be my place of choice.
Right.
But yeah, I don't know. Winter's just, it's getting more and more difficult for me. When I was young and I was a kid, I loved playing in the snow.
Yeah.
But now, I don't like it when it gets dark at 4 p.m. or 4:30. Winter's just not for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is getting quite dark. I mean, just even look at today, it does get quite dark, and it does feel like because there's so little sunlight, you feel more tired.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And the day just seems to drag on, right?
Yes.
But I mean, for me, one of the things I've traveled to all different countries, but one of the things I will always remember saying to people is that even when it's really snowy out and it looks really cold, we actually do get a lot of bright sunny winter days.
That's
compared
true.
to other countries.
That's true too.
Right? I've been to Germany, France, England, Czech Republic. I've been to all those places in the wintertime, and it's really dark. It's really super dark. But here in Toronto, we get those bright, brilliant days where the sun is just like glistening off the ice and the snow.
Yeah,
and
and it's really
blinds you.
pretty.
Yeah, and then it's
really
fantastic. Yeah.
I still prefer the hot weather. I mean, I can appreciate the sun and the snow, but for me, it's definitely, I enjoy warmer temperatures.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess you'll be there then. Be there with the snowbirds on a plane.
I hope so.
This time of
If
year.
we can ever get on a plane again.
Yeah.